Your home cleaning is about to get easier than ever. Time to go from crazy mess to incredibly clean finesse. Just press and start. Extend it and glide effortlessly with 2 power-packed rear motors. Suck up dirt and debris with pressurized vacuum suction. Enjoy faster spinning for better cleaning. Dreame H13 Pro deals with the mess like a pro. Water flows through the head brush and dumps the dirt into the tank.
Suction mode.
Suction mode makes spills disappear. Perfect for wet floors and cleaning hairs with fewer tangles. Yep, we know. Hair is everywhere.
Ultra mode.
The Ultra mode takes your cleaning to a deeper level. Leave your baseboards and corners nearly spotless.
Turbo mode.
To top it off, Turbo mode deals with the biggest of messes, handling heavy dirt like a pro. This slick brush head exposes hidden stains, day or night. Up to 40 minutes seamless cleaning. Place it,
Charging started.
press it,
Start deep
Done.
self-cleaning with hot water.
hot water melts away grease and sticky buildup, while dual rotation self-cleaning prevents hair and fur tangles. After its cleanse, H13 Pro self-dries with 60 degrees Celsius air for 30 minutes, keeping the brush dry and fresh. Dreame H13 Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum, a new era of high-temp, thorough cleaning.